Hey guys, what's up? The second round EIDL increased loans, the second round are pouring in. They're pouring in right now. I'm getting people left and right telling me I got it. Here is the question. Did you apply? Did you put in a reconsideration like we have been talking about for the last 2 months? Because now is the time people are getting it. The program does expire very soon. This is big news right here. This is like the 9th or 10th person that it has got with me saying, okay, I'm going to read it to you. This is a question we've had about the increase that you have been asking me. A lot of people have been asking me is, hey, I just got the increase. I got $20,000. My original loan was $10,000. So does that mean I get $20,000 more on top of my $10,000? Let me give you a straight up answer and say, no, it does not. I'm going to go back to another email I just got regarding the same information. It's from Houston TR. An hour ago has just gotten with me. And today is 12/18. Excuse me for a second speak. But hey guys out there, you got to watch the end of this video too, because another email just came in after this one that's totally different than what speaknsee is explaining now. So this could go both ways. So watch this till the end, or at least watch it until you see my face. Anyway, back to the video. Sorry to bother you, Speak. 2020 and it's 4 o'clock. So this was at 3 o'clock today. Hello, speaknsee. My first round EIDL was $9K. After watching your videos, I applied for an increase. Just got a response. Approved for $27,100. The letter says loan amount updated from $9K to $27,100. So I will receive $18,100. Thank you very much for that, Houston TR. We appreciate you. But that is the update, and that is like about the 9th person that I've heard tell me the same thing. Look, if you got a loan for $20,000, I had one person who got a loan for $22,000. Now they got, hey, speaknsee, they just got back with me. They said that I'm approved for $23,000. So does that mean I get another $23,000 on top? I thought, well, that sounds about right. Sure, I think that sounds right. I'm not 100% on it, but I don't see them just giving you $1,000. But the lenders know more about your personal specifics than I do. But this is a big update because we have had so many people asking the same question. Now that these things are pouring in, and once again, I have been trying to. Whoa, wait there, just a second, Speak. Not so fast. I just got a letter from GMA25 Boys, who we've been talking with quite a bit lately about her loan, and she said this. She called the SBA. Let me start off here. Thank you, first of all, GMA25 Boys, for sharing the information with us, a trusted source, somebody who we've been following this through with, and she said this. All right, at speaknsee, I decided to call the SBA and ask. After being ran around in a circle, I finally got a nice lady that confirmed my increase is $12,100. You see, people, she had originally gotten a loan for $12,000. Now her new increase on the round 2 is $12,100. So she was wondering, hey, did I just get $100? And what speaknsee just said, yeah, it says that she did, from what Houston TR's comment just said that he had been going through with the SBA. But she is saying something different here. So maybe this is lender specific on each and individual case. So I'm going to read this again. I decided to call the SBA and ask. After being run around a circle, I finally got a nice lady that confirmed my increase is $12,100. So that's twice as much as she had. It's not just an extra $100 increase on top of her original $12,000. She said it's been approved and sent to funding. Should be any day, she said. She did agree that the language was unclear in the letter, but if I read the last page of the loan docs, it's there. For anyone interested, I applied for the increase in mid-October. Yes, a lot of people are interested in when you applied because everybody wants to know when this happened. So she's looking at a little over almost 2 months. So towards the end of, or mid-October, actually she's looking at 2 months. So guys, that's probably about the average. Somebody asked me earlier and I said a month and a half to 2 months. Well, yeah, she's right in there. Thank you very much, GMA25 Boys, for your awesomeness. Okay? And everybody else, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. I've been trying to let everybody know that you need to do this and you need to do this now. December 21st, the EIDL program for loans ends. The reconsideration program is still into effect, but how much will they allocate for that? If you're not in the system for a reconsideration yet, you better get in now. The second round is pretty much going to expire. They're only putting $13 billion out so far. This is what they say right now in the stimulus package. So if that happens, that's probably just going to go to grants. The EIDL loans will probably be gone as we know it. But guys, you need to get on board with this. If you have not filed for a reconsideration and you need more money, if you haven't filed for a second round of it, if you need more money on top of your first loan, go. I put it all out there for you. I've got all from the start to finish. I don't know who you've been talking to, but if you have not gotten this loan or at least applied for it and got a little bit extra money, then you must not need it. I needed it. I know a lot of people out there who need it. Houston needed it, and I know just they're pouring in right now, guys. They're being accepted. So let me know the good, the bad, and the ugly of what's going on with you guys out there so I can share it with the rest of the world, and we can keep them informed on exactly how this thing is taking place. All right, guys? Stay positive. High hopes, prayers. Have a blessed day. Thanks. Bye.